Hi, welcome to my channel. Last week I had a pleasure of creating a very first birthday theme cake for Mally's first birthday. Let's get started. First, I prepared the fondant strawberries using these silicone molds. I made sure I had enough for the whole cake. Then I also used a silicone mold to make the cherry shapes. Although they seem pretty simple, it still took me a long time to make these little strawberries and cherries because I had to make the leaves, halve it, and attach it to each strawberry. And the same thing for the cherries. I had to make and attach the stems and leaves. Next, I made a bigger strawberry for the topper. I had this strawberry impression cutter so that I pressed it against a red piece of fondant. Then I traced the word one that I got from the internet. Cut it out using my X-Acto knife, then attach the green leaf on top. As I mentioned earlier, making fondant strawberries is not that simple. I thought they needed something else, so I decided to paint tiny dots of white edible paint on the holes of these strawberries to make it look more realistic. I also attached a floral wire behind the topper so that it can stand up on the cake. And then I made the name plug with the name Mally and painted it in red. Here, I made more bigger strawberries to be placed around the cake later on. This whole process took me a while to complete, but now we are ready to assemble the cake. As always, I started with the cake board, then assembling the cake layers. This time, the client requested a 10-inch lemon butter cake with cream cheese, buttercream, and mixed berries as fillings. I crumb coated it, then applied pink buttercream for the final coating. Now is the fun part, which is decorating. So I attached the name plaque in the center at the front of the cake, then placing the big strawberries first, then smaller strawberries and the cherries all around the cake. Then I pipe Swiss meringue buttercream on top. And at the bottom edge of the cake. I attached this cute number 1 candle and the fondant 1 topper that I made earlier. And I piped some more with a smaller piping star tip on top. I finished off with placing some more strawberries, cherries, and red and white sprinkles on top. And here we go, the very first birthday themed cake for Mally. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.